Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you this 260 SLX outboard by Sea Ray Boats. Starting off on the outside, this boat is quantum blue hull sides. It has white on top, white on bottom, and of course the power tower and a white Mercury 300 to match it. Let's go ahead and hop inside and check it out. All right, guys, inside the Sea Ray 260 SLX outboard, I want to show you, we have this nice huge lounger back here, and it's not a waste of space. We have all this storage in here. It goes all the way forward. You can pretty much fit a stand-up paddleboard in there. 2 or 3 people will fit inside there. We have a nice cooler right here built in, so when you're on the back of the boat, easy access to your drinks. Moving inside, we did option this boat with sea deck throughout the entire boat, which has some nice lines going through it. You may notice right now we have strobing lights on. Included in one of the packages, the lighting package, which has color changing lights throughout the boat. You can control all this in the C zone. You can have it set up to where it goes with the music. You can strobe it. You can have solid color, and you can change 4 different zones, whichever color you want or whichever effect you'd like. Right over here, we do have a nice little area right here that fits 2 soft-sided coolers. One of my favorite parts, it's not a big thing, but it's one of my favorite things, is in the bilge, we optioned it with the storage caddy, which before this would go much deeper into the bilge. Now you can access everything. The other day I used this boat, I put 8.8 inch fenders in here, fender lines, all sorts of stuff. But it's really convenient being able just to reach in there and grab it. Not a lack of cup holders anywhere. Sarah, if you want to come over here and take a seat real quick, I want to show you something cool. On the C zone control, there's 2 switches for this power tower. One of them is right here. So say you have the sun right here in your eyes. You just hit this button while you're underway. No more sun in your eyes. You can also use that, lower it down to protect you from rain. It pretty much comes flush with this windshield right here. All your controls are right here. You do have navigation. You have a depth finder on here, all that good stuff. Sarah, next I want to point out the head compartment, which we do have the light on in there as well. That's a vacuum flush head with the holding tank. You do have a sink in there as well. Moving forward, this bow area is very large. It comes with a bow filler option, which is actually stored right over here. And there's dedicated storage for your tables in there as well. You have a windlass anchor up front. But y'all, this is my favorite boat. This is one of the most popular boats here on the Texas coast. People love this Sea Ray SLX because of all the features, including the curved windshield, the nice displays, the power tower is a big thing, and it's an outboard motor, so very saltwater friendly. But you guys, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston showing you this Sea Ray 260 SLX outboard. Come by and see it in person or give me a call. My number is 936-223-6770. Have a great day.